8:31. Leaving the general store, heading towards the Blue Ridge Parkway and going where?
Willow Valley, in North Carolina.
Willow Valley, North Carolina, someplace. Who knows? Supposed to leave at 9. It is 9:22, and it's not my fault.
It is your
Wrap. There's a moose. We are on 33 today. All kinds of old barns around here. It's awesome. Then you got those mountains in the background. Unfortunately, we got 3 slow cars in front of us, but they're turning or I'll pass them. 33 East. I can't emphasize it enough how much fun this road is. Done it numerous times on different bikes right here in West Virginia. It's freaking awesome. Can't believe more bikes aren't on here. Heading up North Mountain right now. We have a change in plans. Instead of going to the Blue Ridge Parkway, we're just gonna take the back roads to get to where we're staying for the evening, because there's a high chance of thunderstorms. So we decided to beat feet and try to get to where we're going. Still got like 250 miles. So hopefully we don't get rained on. We're used to it though. I'd rather not ride in it. Still in Virginia. These are nice roads. Could ride these all day. Twisty through the farmland. Nice old buildings. Love getting old barns. They're everywhere. Alright, we're on 42 South, George Washington National Forest in Virginia. Very nice, shaded, very two-up friendly riding on the base of the mountains to the right of us. Just nice, twisty. About too many cars, but very too up friendly. That's kind of the roads we try to do, are too up friendly roads. But 42 south, very nice. Another windy, twisty road for 18 miles in the shade, thank goodness. Rapid Adventures don't like this. Way too much. Virginia Tech. Way too many people. Willow Valley, it's where we stayed last night. Boone, North Carolina. Up there in that brown one. Chalet number 1. Not the nicest. Smelled like cigarette smoke, but other than that, it's alright, I guess. Sunday, August 31st, 2024. Heading towards Tellico Plains for our home for 3 days. All kinds of problems yesterday with the GoPros. Overheated, it was hot. It was very hot yesterday, so that's probably why they kept overheating and batteries dying. So not much footage. Nice rides through Virginia, but a little foggy this morning. 8:56. Hey, I got Mrs. Brapp up before 9 on the bike. All right, I think it's gonna be a good day. Rapid Adventures out. Tennessee, just got into Tennessee. Love the mountains. 173 west. Just left Roan Mountain. This still might be Roan Mountain, I don't know. Twisty roads everywhere. Right along the creek. Little waterfall. And not commercialized, not people everywhere. roads like this. You get cars that just ride side by side forever and won't fucking get over. Shit or get off the pot. There you go, douchebag. That's what that is. Jump in it right about now. It is 89 degrees. Feels like a gazillion. Alright, getting close. This is where we're staying for the next 3 days. That's the Cherhola Skyway. Nice little steep incline to get in here. Nice little river across the road. Everybody's tubing. Triple Black's cooling down. 91 degree day. Mountain View Rebels?
Mountain View Cabins.
Mountain View Cabins, who we're renting this from. Tellico Plains, number 13. I'm sure you hear her behind me. Corrected me already. Tellico River. That's where we're staying. Nice little cabin. Nice. And then out on this side is the hot tub. Little sitting area. And we're going to be using that pretty soon.
We're here at our cabin in Tellico Plains. We were chilling in the hot tub for a while, then it started to thunderstorm and rain pretty hard, so now we're just chilling out on our deck, watching the Tellico River. I guess not everyone's worried about the rain like we are. I'm a little afraid of lightning, but it's kind of cool. We actually stayed in the hot tub in the rain for a while till we heard the thunder, and then we decided we should call it quits. Nice evening.